Yeah, I mean, that's definitely a thought
Right.
that crossed
Yeah.
my mind for sure. But like I said, after the long talks with my support system from coaches, family, and all that, we all decided it's the best decision for me to come back and just finish where I started here and make myself kind of known again. You know what I mean?
Right.
So
Yeah. When
definitely.
when do you feel like that final decision was made?
Um, I would say it really went to probably around the Clemson game. So
Yeah.
yeah. I mean, it was definitely throughout the whole year, definitely going back and forth and thinking about what I wanted to do. But yeah. So it was about that time, Clemson game.
Are you back in football shape, or you feel like you kind of got your sea legs back under you yet, or is that a longer process?
Yeah, I mean, first week, it was a little difficult, just
Yeah.
getting back in there and getting in football shape because there's not really that can prepare you for
Mm-hmm.
it. But now I feel like I'm getting back into it. Got my legs back right, my wind back up, so I think I'm adjusting pretty good.
What's your weight like compared to when you were the last time you played?
Well, yesterday I weighed 223, so I mean it's pretty much about the same. But I feel a lot stronger. Like my weight room numbers have gone up a
Have they?
lot. Yeah, so I definitely feel a lot stronger with the weight I have. So
How much of the new system were you able to pick up just in meetings and watching versus how much you'll still have to do it now that you're on the field?
yeah, I picked up a little bit, watching it from last year and in the meeting rooms and stuff. But definitely getting out there
Yeah.
and running reps is definitely better for me to learn, and it's a lot easier for me to learn doing that. So right now I'm picking up on the scheme pretty well.
Sky, how big of an influence was Coach Muschamp in your decisions to stay?
Um, it was really more so of a family decision. So like it was really like just between my mom, my grandfather, and stuff like that. Those type of people.
When you heard whole year, was that a surprise? I mean, how difficult was that to digest?
Yeah, it was very difficult. I mean, because you're coming back off your junior season and you're about to be a senior, you're about to finish, so all that's on your mind is I'm about to finish this last season, all that stuff, and then you hear that. So it was pretty difficult to hear, and but like I said, when the doctor told me that wasn't a career-ending injury, that was something that made it a lot easier to take. So I just had to be patient and not rush it. So.
Do you know how the injury occurred or when it happened?
No, not really. They said that it might have been something that I was possibly even like playing with my junior year, and just didn't really even know it. So that was something that, yeah, I mean, yeah. So